Hello, how's it going? So yes, this is the video that should have been the penultimate one for the fire organ, but I don't know what it is about optimistic thinking and thinking you could get more done in time than you actually can. So I think I started this project about 4 weeks before going to EMF, basically saying I'm going to build a flame organ tractor trailer and play it at EMF. But yeah, I haven't quite got there, unfortunately. I've basically... It's playing, and it was playing at EMF, but there was quite a few teething issues, and I didn't get much propane going because I didn't get the igniter circuits built. And as you can see, the igniter circuits aren't quite there yet, but I've been tuning it. I've spent the last week, this is a week after the EMF, basically getting up to the biggest pipes. So we're now at the biggest pipes. All of the pipes are on, which sadly weren't at EMF, but yeah, this video is more about EMF, so very fun. I want to thank the organizer at EMF for letting us stay because of the 3-month baby that we've got. Well, Max staying in one of the lodges for a night beforehand. That was amazing. Thank you very much. It made it a lot easier to sort this out as well, because I was able to get up nice and early, pull this out and start tuning it. And I need to apologize to whoever made the noise complaint at about 9 or so in the morning. I'm sorry I interrupted you lying when I was trying to tune this and get this going and program some songs. But to be honest, you got the last laugh, because I spent all the morning kind of like fixing it and working on it, and then didn't realize that I ran the batteries down. So when I took it over to down the hill over to EMF, the batteries were dead. So it didn't actually work. It's absolute sod's law how these sort of things happen when you start something new. Everything you can think of goes wrong, and yeah, it didn't work in the end. But anyway, let's just jump over to the video and you can see for yourself. Good afternoon. We are at EMF Festival at the top of the hill in the launch. Staying very fancy. The EMF Festival's right down there, and got a lobster van hire. Look at that. Oh baby. Got the lawnmower out. I've just changed the pulley on it because I had a pulley that was too small because I was messing around to make it fast, but it didn't have to torque to pull the trailer. So this is the trailer. Gonna spend the first morning, this morning, actually trying to tune it a little bit better because it's not very good. And then after that, gonna try and take it down the hill. But yeah, given it a bit of a clean. In fact, it's been to pieces and I've sprayed the bottom and stuff, but I've left it looking exactly the same on the top because the patina's too nice. And yeah, engine's still the same, nicely lubed and greased up. It's ready to rumble. Oh no, the brakes are a little better than I thought. That's a good news. That's good news for the trailer anyway. EMF Festival is over here. Got to try and figure out how to get there, but that's for latest problems. Whoa! Anyway, as you can see, the organ, since we last saw it, the organ looks quite a bit different. There are a few more pipes, still not done as you can tell. It's all wobbling around. Like, I need to make a frame to hold the top of the pipe, so there's no point doing that until we've got the water jackets over them. And then we need to build a frame on the front to hold all the spark plugs. Oh, you should use ignition, use ignite, what are they called? What are the new ones? Coil packs and things like that. I don't know, I want to use spark plugs. There might be a better way, but the way I want to do it is spark plugs, because I think spark plugs are cool. But yeah, you can see why you don't want to be hanging them off the things, because it's quite wobbly, even with the best will in the world. Oh, actually, that one's because it's loose. So I'll need to tighten all those up. But first, let's loosen this thingamajiggy off and plug in the air compressor, because right now we're actually powering it with an air compressor. There's little point powering it with propane, even though you can just hold a Bunsen burner in front of it. You can't ignite the whole thing. So I've just bought a compressor. I tried to buy compressed gas. I went all over the place
yesterday, but there was no compressors in compressed air, just a can of compressed air to pop in, because we could literally pop compressed air in it. Oh yeah, and you can see I also tried a mini one, but there wasn't enough reservoir in it. It didn't really want to work, but I might try it again right now, because it will be cool, because that would mean that we can actually play it still without any compressed gas or anything like that. So I'm gonna try and get it down. So wish me luck. Actually, no, I'm not going to put it down, because I've just remembered I need to get it down to the bottom of the hill. And to get there, I'm going to leave it up there because it's a right faff to get on. And we're going to tune it in there, in situ. Test with the big compressor, and it actually lasts quite a while, so I'm literally going to try and remove this. I don't need this anymore, this fire extinguisher. It's a bit back heavy probably now. Probably going to be quite a bit on the back, but I don't know. Nah, there's enough weight going on everywhere. Hopefully this will hold so we can actually try and play some music. Started losing pressure at the end. It sounded awful near the end, but yeah. Cool. Sorry, I'm still eating some cereal. It's still in the morning. It is at a point I am happy with now. It's not going to be perfect because it's a mile off, but... And also, you shouldn't mount it that way. The oil kind of gets splatty. But who cares? Oh, no, you can't mount it like that while I've done it. Okay, right. Cooly. So the lawnmower's out, the organ's packed and stuff. So the festival is down there, okay? Be very nice enough to actually stay in the blooming lodge. It's very fancy. But the festival's down this hill, and I think I can make it, but people are saying I shouldn't go down that. And I don't want to be wrong. So it's that's a very steep hill, and it says one way. But we could also go down this private track, which is it's going to be about a mile or so. It's about a big round trip around, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get packed up, get some stuff, make sure I've got enough fuel, and slowly make the mile journey with the trailer on the back. It's going to be so good.
down the hill, got to do the talk. I think the 1.5 miles possibly shook a few things here and there because, yeah, it just wasn't really wanting to play ball. The battery was low, so the sequencer, the MIDI sequencer that's in there, for the first 5 seconds it just kept on stopping. It actually does something. Come on, it's got stage fright. Field fright. Luckily, like-minded people at EMF, there a couple of people came along with MIDI keyboards, ran back to their tents, bought some MIDI keyboards, they had plugged it in, had a play at a safe distance whilst we plugged in the propane. The fire marshal, even though I didn't have the igniter in, thought it was okay enough because it was outdoors to just have a quick bit of a bash with me on a blowtorch, just holding it whilst they play. They were bashing keys and just getting the lights going. It showed what it was supposed to potentially do. Just didn't quite get there because I just didn't have enough time to finish the thing. But it's really cool. People came with batteries and plugged them in, but there was just something that just wasn't quite working when I got down there, electric. It was enough to show people the work in progress, but driving it back up the hill, it all managed to shake back in place and it works again. Yeah, keep going, keep going. EMF was awesome. I didn't manage to get much footage. I was looking around. I definitely missed a few things like the turning on the fire village. That's where all the rest of the pyrotechnics was. Managed to miss that. I was looking after Max. I'm sorry about that. Saw Tim Zeller flip dot machine. This is really cool. Those are the flip dots that were from the museum that we got a haul back a while ago. He's done a really good job with that, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a video going up on his soon about that. Really cool. And then also the hacky racers, they were really cool as well. So it's electric small kind of like hacky race cars that you just make at a budget, and they were kind enough to let us have a go. Me and Tim have a go on them, and it was really cool. It was really cool. But yeah, that's the only footage I managed to get. Oh, and getting a go in a Foden stream track to me and Max, that was really awesome as well. But yeah, it was a lovely day and a lot of very nice people there. And thanks again to the organisers for letting us stay in that lodge because, yeah, I wouldn't have been able to get it remotely working like it was and get that noise complaint at the same time if it wasn't for that. And the baby was happy, so thank you very much. Anyway, in the next video, we're going to be putting the spark plugs in. I'll be doing videos over on Patreon about it before that. In fact, I did a video yesterday playing a bunch of MIDI requests on it, and it's really shown a few limits with the design at the minute, which I'm going to be working on in due course. But yeah, this is the fire organ as it stands right now, and yeah, I'm Sam, and that was a lovely weekend. I'll see you later. Toodaloo.